So here we are again after a long time without doing tutorials. Welcome to the new 2.1 tutorial overview, LINCE Plus. So this is something very exciting to bring to you, and as you can see now, the interface of the desktop is the same than before, but inside has changed a lot. So in here you have the same features than always. You will have a reminder to download, but this is optional if you want. You have an overview of your register and the QR code that you can usually scan to connect to your Wi-Fi settings and open with your tablet or anything that you need, and of course the research that you want to. Let's start with a new project. So as you can see, selected videos is 0. It will save automatically everything. We have done an improvement on the language, and you will see it in later on all the improvements that we have been bringing. Let's select a video, and for example, we'll go for a yo-yo contest. You will see that here it shows you that an MP4 file has been selected. But if you choose anything, even an audio file of an MP3 or an iOS video, it will convert it automatically. Just for the lack of the presentation, we just do it in MP4. And you will see here in that selected videos, you have that video that is being selected in your local computer. And as you know, you need to save the project. And the cool thing is, it's better if you save it just once. And then you will have each 2 minutes, it will keep updating it. And with videos, you select the videos, and with Visualize, you open the browser to ease the transition, and you can import and export anything of the project that has been saved. Let's open the browser. And when we open the browser, you have a multi-language environment with some settings that you need to keep in mind. So let's start with project. And in project here, one of the big difference that seems that is not going to be big, but is a very big improvement, is that now you don't have to choose, when you have selected the video, you don't have to really go on the details of the frames that video has. We automatically set it up when you choose it. So this is related to the first video that you choose. You can choose many videos, but in this exercise we are going to do only one, because I want to bring you some of the cool features that we have. So let's do test group, and we are going to do a demo, and you can just choose anything that you want. Okay, and I'm going to call myself here, and also we will add another observer to the study. So here once we update, we see that there are zero observations. We can go on the tool. When we go in another option menu, it just has detected that it has 2 observers, so you can choose any of them. And in the observation tool, we are just going to choose the automatic, because related to the instruments, you will have a complete setup for the instrument. But just for demo purpose, if just I update it, it will automatically make a category overview, and it will just add the identifiers of the codes automatically. But as I mentioned, there's going to be another video specific for this option. And here we do have that part of the player. And the player has, if you click on synchronize actions, you will have a lot of options, no? And these are just, if you want to check which one was the key for something, you just can see it. So if you see 1, 2, 3, will resize automatically the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, here,
if I press Q or pause, I can also go with this, and I will just mute everything to make it simple. And you can just go as you see here. For example, it's play, pause, stop, speed, D and F. With this, you just can jump. No, so if you jump directly, you can go by 5 seconds, and you will have a frame by frame pass by with the cursor soon. And the thing is here, if you just press W or Q, sorry, it will just go ahead, play it, and let's go to slow motion. So here you can really see and also choose if you want to have something else to make the analysis much lower. So let's save this current position, let's save this other position, which is almost in the same second, but not in the same frame. There is a big difference because this is not the same than this. This is the big improvement for the slow motion reproduction. When it's in the same second, we were having some issues. Let's delete it and let's schedule. So I want to have 5 seconds, and from moment 0, I want to have it to, let's say, to here. So here I will just submit it, and it says, hey, we are going to generate 40 scenes. Are you sure? Yeah, go ahead. And in just a few seconds it will schedule, so you can just check a random analysis of your video. When you go on register, you can really set up which is the behavior, and while it's in orange, you can really still, for example, you see here that I want to add this, so it will update it, but only while it's in orange. Okay, so you need to keep it in mind, because if you are seeing something, it will still update it. But you will see now that if I choose while it's not here, it will generate a new scene. One thing that is very stunning is that you can really see all the graphs. Okay, you can modify it, fit at your needs. You can just see whatever you want, and also will give you the partial statistics of what you are seeing. This is in a glance, so you can really see and choose. And we are going to do exporters to image previews and so on. So as you know, you have the R language here included with executions, and that's, you have some instructions with things that are going to be in multi-language soon. When we release 2.1, because this is just a preview of it, and also on the servers you can just make any analysis with Fletch, Kappa, Krippendorf, and everything that you want. This is something that we will go detail by detail, but what I am very excited to bring you now is the new model of artificial intelligence. This is the main topic, a part of the overview of what we can do. So now you can have inside your study the quantitative data or the angles, and you are going to be able to draw them to correct what is being generated automatically. So when you just click it, the most amazing thing is that everything can be done in real time and in very slow motion moment, and this can be applied to everything. We are generating this component for the community, being open source, and moreover, it's going to bring you amazing features that we hope that someone at some time can make something great with it, because we are here to improve your research. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed, and that you can play with all the data that you can take in your. Bye.